SOT 161 is the first security company in Bulgaria which has offered centralized protection of property and persons with technical security systems for 22 years. This kind of activity is performed through monitoring and control of the sites by our national base station, and we react to the received alarm signals with mobile security teams.
At the moment, we are responsible for 88,000 subscribers. Furthermore, the company provides physical protection of commercial and industrial facilities with security guards, personal VIP protection and transportation of valuables and goods. Physical Security Department is the biggest security structure in the country, and it has more than 3,400 employees, ensuring the security of more than 800 sites. The department has operational video control center, which works in close collaboration with our national base station. The video center performs monitoring of more than 8,000 cameras in the secured sites. For security and transportation of valuables and cargo throughout the country, we have over 80 specialized vehicles. The company also provides design, installation and maintenance of all types of technical security systems. For the first time in the country, SOT 161 began to offer urgent medical help to its customers, together with security guarding. We are the largest security company in Bulgaria and a leader in centralized protection of sites on the Balkan Peninsula. With 4,700 employees and a turnover in Bulgaria of over 64 million leva, the company leaves behind leading companies in the industry of neighbor countries. Over the past 3 years, the company has made significant progress on all key indicators of our activity. The company has 3 international quality certificates. This year, Superbrands organization and ICAP Group, which are independent arbitrators, honored us once again with a prize as one of the strongest business brands and a true leader on the Bulgarian market. But the biggest success for our team is the most valuable one. We won customers' trust. Our national base center has a most modern and sophisticated software and communication equipment that provides reliable reception of the alarm signals from the territory of the whole country. Signals from the sites are automatically forwarded from the center to the patrol cars. We use unique radio system, our own development, protected against jamming of the radio channels. Its production is organized in our own enterprise, Sectron Electronics. We provide an average response time of 2 minutes, which is without precedent for a big city like Sofia. Karate Club SOT 161 is the pride of the company, and it is a club member of the Bulgarian Federation Shotokan Karate-Do.
For 22 years, the mission of the company is to create a sense of security and to enhance the quality of people's life. This feeling arises and is maintained daily, only with concrete actions in the interest of customer safety. That's why we believe we deserve your vote.